Welcome to SNAA Kids YouTube channel. Come, let's learn about shapes. Circle, CIRCLE, circle. 0 straight sides, 0 corners. Triangle, TRIANGLE, triangle. 3 sides, 3 corners. Square, SQUARE, square. 4 equal sides, 4 corners. Rectangle, RECTANGLE, rectangle. 4 sides, 4 corners. Oval, OVAL, oval. 0 straight sides, 0 corners. Diamond, DIAMOND, diamond. 4 equal sides, 4 corners. Star, STAR, star. 5 points. 10 sides, 10 corners. Heart, HEART, heart. 0 sides, 1 bottom point. 2 curved parts at the top. Pentagon, PENTAGON, pentagon. 5 sides, 5 corners. Cone, CONE, cone. 1 flat face. 1 vertex. Hexagon, HEXAGON, hexagon. 6 sides, 6 corners. Cylinder, CYLINDER, cylinder. Flat faces to top and bottom are circles. Curved surface 1, 0 corners. Come, let's repeat once again. Circle, CIRCLE, circle. Triangle, TRIANGLE, triangle. Square, SQUARE, square. Rectangle, RECTANGLE, rectangle. Oval, OVAL, oval. Star, STAR, star. Diamond, DIAMOND, diamond. Heart, HEART, heart. Hexagon, HEXAGON, hexagon. Cone, CONE, cone. Cylinder, CYLINDER, cylinder. Pentagon, PENTAGON, pentagon. If you like this video, do you want more videos like this? Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you.